We are about to experience the biggest shift in our lives, and no one is talking about it. What's up? I'm Amanda Casillo, and I am a prenatal and postpartum coaching specialist with the Mindset of Matter programs. What I want to do is bring you into my personal journey going through postpartum, where you can see what my training program actually looks like from a healing and recovery perspective, not a going back to what I was doing before. We're going to gradually increase intensity at an appropriate level for me. What we're also going to talk about is nutrition considerations, especially considering the fact that my goal is to breastfeed. What I also want to bring you into, and what I think is the most important part of this docuseries, is the mindset piece of this. So when we're talking about mindset, it's going to be very challenging for me because I am used to lifting heavy and I'm used to being able to eat and manipulate my calories according to my body and composition goals. I don't want to do any of those things because my primary goals are recovery and rebuilding, and so that way my body can progress appropriately. How do I change my mindset around this? How do I feel about my postpartum body with its changes and its looks? And how do I go through with talking to myself with compassion and knowing that I am exactly where I should be in my programming and in my recovery phase? It's going to be incredibly difficult for me, but I want you to see what it really looks like from this perspective. Not only that, you're going to gain a better understanding of what professionals you can incorporate in your support of healing and recovery. So we're going to go through pelvic floor physical therapy. We're going to work with a chiropractor. We're going to see a massage therapist. Not only that, I've got my primary care. We're going to have some doulas around. So all of these professions are here to support me, but I want you to see if one of these resonates with you too, so you can see if you want to bring them into your support. So this isn't just for first-time moms. This is for moms who are looking to change how they came away from postpartum for their second, third, fourth, fifth time. So let me invite you into my world. I'm excited for you to join us for Motherhood Uncensored, Rebuilding Amanda.